Okay, wait, I will make it look for a YouTube video. Just a second. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here is Cacao. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the bell button to receive all my new videos. Today's video is going to be unboxing, and as you can see here I have one box that includes gifts from Kmall24, and I'm really thankful to Kmall24 and of course K-Influencer Academy, who provides me these items that I have actually no idea what they are, but together with you we will see. Before to start, I also want to tell you that you should check Kmall24 website because you can find a lot of things. I mean, they're not only products, their products are unique. And what is different with Kmall24 website from the other Korean websites? Well, in their website you will find items which are popular right now in South Korea. So if you're a foreigner or you live abroad and you want to be following the trends and innovation in South Korea, then you should check their website because their website is very well structured and it is easy to find what you're searching for. The products they provide are only the best ones and they're trendy and new in Korea at the moment. You can find tips, trendy stories and recommendations in their story section at the website by unique among cool stuffs recommended by Korean insiders. You can find the latest tastes and trends on their website, and that will help you to bring Korea at your home during the pandemic. Let's explore Korean latest trend through Kmall24 together. There is not only K-pop, not only K-beauty, but also K-food and electronics and many other things. So I really recommend you to check it. Something interesting from their side is that Kmall24 actually have many events that you can participate in. So if you go to their website and you check what they have, you may see their events. And even today I just scrolled in their website and I saw an event and I participated. So wish me luck. I'm crossing fingers for myself, I'm crossing fingers for you too. You can actually get so many benefits from their website even if you're only looking around. So check their website, and also you can follow them on Instagram so you can receive all of the new things that they have and provide. I will just actually try this. Here is what I can see when I open it. And let me... Oh wow! I don't need this box anymore. I don't need this box anymore. Here, it's like Christmas gift. Okay, it's written something that I... Can you see what's written here? Maybe thank you? I don't know. Okay, it's time. Oh, it has yeah. I will just... Oh wow! What's this? Crispy seaweed with soy coffee. Wow! I will eat this. I can't wait. It looks very, very beautiful. And it's food. You know I love food. Well, everyone loves food, so I will put it here. Yes. And Let's see. Oh, another one. Let's see. This one is crispy seaweed with soy protein, almond, and sesame. Oh, I know that there is one kind of Korean snack that was with honey and almond, and it was that much popular that it was sold in the whole entire South Korea, you can imagine. And I think this is very interesting combination, and I'm very excited to try it. I'll put it here. I think I will try all the flavors that they sent me. Oh, look at this. This is crispy seaweed again with soy protein and cheese. It has to look like as the picture, but we will see if it's the same later. These crispy seaweed snacks mainly include soybean, which importance cannot be emphasized enough. And still, you can have a lot of choices. It's a low-calorie snack baked 4 times. The plain flavor includes the highest protein content among all of the flavors. The combination of cheese and soybean have even more benefits for your healthy life and body, of course. This flavor actually contains vitamin. Almond can help you to reduce blood cholesterol and prevent cancer. I really like the texture. You can see it again. It's like a mini sandwich. It's a little teeny sandwich from seaweed and almond and sesame, and I like the smell. It is strong smell, but not that much, and it's tasty. What else? Do you want it? Yes. And for the second one, it gives you this kind of taste, which is very refreshing, you know. One more of this. They look the same. All of them look the same, but they have different tastes. And yeah. Okay, I think she likes it too, and this is her favorite maybe too. Is this your favorite? Yes. Yes, okay. This is our favorite. I really like this one. Okay. Ooh, it's a COVID mask. I will use this one because mine is for the trash. Yep. Thank you for this. Everyone needs Korean, or not only Korean, just COVID mask right now. Yes, this is for here. And I'm not looking. Oh wow, look at this. It's food. It's magic chicken powder. Oh my god, this is coconut honey butter seasoning. Wow, I'm going to make this. I really love Korean food. I actually love any kind of food, so I'm really excited. I will just open it because I can't wait. I'm sorry, I waited a few days, so it looks so tasty. This is the seasoning. You can see it's 20 grams, like that much. Wow. You can make it for 15 minutes, and this is something new, and it doesn't consist any oil in it. That's a really... Oh, it has a tip there. Well, we will see. You can look at this. I think it's going to be something like this one. Okay. Another low-calorie solution for you. This magic chicken powder is complex seasoning that is offered in variety of flavors. It is healthy, delicious, and easy to make, even if you're not a good cook, just like me. It takes 15 minutes to make it with air fryer and only 5 minutes with microwave. You can make fried chicken at home, easy, healthy, without wasting your time. It's for here, and oh wow, what's this? Hair mist? Wow, that's amazing! Blooming perfume mini 9 scents. Wow, I can't wait to. Sorry, I'm opening this right now. What's the way I should? They look very colorful, and I really like the way how they are prepared. I mean, in this very cute way, so you can see which one is which color is and which number for what is it. I will just pick the first one to see what is the. Should I just okay, I will read. It's a blooming perfume. It smells really refreshing, like a flowers. Okay. And this perfume hair mist contains jeju lactis fermented with lactobacillus to provide moisture and shine. There are 9 attractive fragrances. Even if you apply them often to your hair, it doesn't make it sticky. Their packaging is compact and you can always carry them with you. The other things. What's this? Look, it's so cute. Let me see. I'm not sure what this is, but it's very cute, and it is in pastel colors. It's yellow and it has a dog, you can see. Papagu, Hebohan, Kangachia. Oh, it's a busy dog, right? Let me see. How can I? Like this. It's a mini book. Oh no! Oh wow! I think I know what this is. It's like a mini journal, like to make notes. And look, you can make. Wait. Did you saw this? I really love this because you know I'm obsessed with stationery and I love doing pen pal and journals and any other kind of stuff like this, and I will make notes here and when I'm traveling, and you know I love traveling, and if I'm not traveling too, I will just make my story here, and when I open it, it will be like that. Oh, it has on the other side too. A busy and happy dog flip book. It has very cute drawings and the colors give you calmness. You can write on both sides of the page, creating your own story, using it as a planner too. The small size notes allows you to carry it with you whenever you are. Put it there. And let me see. It's another thing for hair, another item. I really love my hair, but it's so difficult to make anything. It's a hair mist. Oh, it's like this one, number 2, but it is in large, bigger, I don't know. Okay, I won't open it now, but maybe later. This hair mist is in bigger packet size from the previous ones. It can be used both by women and men. Shake the product lightly before use. Spray the product evenly on wet or dry hair. Spraying hair mist before bed makes your hair soft, silky every morning. This was my tip. This is, I don't know actually what this is for. I will open it and see. For something that I have. Maybe this is for the mask, and it has their logo. It's written here. Kmall24, which is Kmall24. And is it time for the big thing? Oh, it has something else. Wait. Wow, this is a lip tint. Yay! Do you know who is the most happy, the happiest person ever right now? It's me. And do you know it is from AMTS? AMTS is a new launching brand that I recently have an eye on, and I really wanted to buy their products. They're starting their company maybe in the end of November, which is very soon. I'm very excited to see this one. Thank you so much for All My Things is a new launching brand which products have affordable prices and high quality. This lip tint will moisture your lips, creating rich. You can find it in 5 amazing colors. Here is my tip. When you apply once or twice, it gives color and moisture like a lip balm. If you apply 3 or 4 times, color is rich and there is long-lasting effect. A trick is to apply small amount of it on your cheeks, so it will make your makeup look natural. And now it's time to see the big box. Let's see what's inside. I'm very excited, and I think I will need these scissors. Oh wow, look at this. It's Air Dimension Hair Voluminizing Iron. Wow, thank you so much Kmall24. Thank you so much, 감사합니다. I can't wait to open it. Let's just... Okay, there are a lot of functions as you can see, and the box looks very luxury. Yeah, as Namdo-san from Startup says, a lot of money. Just be kidding, I'm very excited. It's for BEANT, which is Korean brand. You can read their name. And it's time to open this one. I actually was avoiding this big box from the beginning because I want to see the other stuff, you know, be happy with the small things, but I'm happy with all of them, really with all of them. And now, okay, it looks very catchy, like a girl. I really like well prepared things. I mean, if they look good, they probably are good too as functions. I mean, well, it's not always like that, but well, I will put the box here, and we have some instructions, but I will read them later. You know, to be safe is the most important thing, but to be curious also is. I want to open it without any damage. Okay, here we go. This is, ta-da! Can't you see? Like TXT, can't you see me? Okay, no more singing. I'm really excited. And ta-da! Wow, it looks really cool. I can't wait. In my next videos, you will see me only with this hairstyle that I will make with this one. Okay, I'm really excited, sorry. Okay, another package and another instructions. And now, look at this. It has very smooth texture, like, do you know what I mean? Maybe no. I don't use this kind of iron, and I'm so impressed of the way how it look like. And you can see it has a triangle form here, and this one too. Okay, I will put it just here. And I'm so excited to tell you more about this Air Dimension Voluminizing Iron. Why pyramid heat plates is such a unique structure? It creates natural looking structure, lift your hair up easily and keep away from scalp. It is suitable for all hair types. It has high quality tourmaline ceramic plates and 360 swivel cord. This can be only one item, but it has three main functions. You can make secures, straighten your hair, and volume it. Here are my styling tips and tricks that will make your face look smaller, slimmer, and V-shaped. Volume at the root or apply the volume in the upper part of the ear. And I think it was everything from my early present for Christmas, and maybe it will last for the other Christmas too. Okay, this was everything from the box, and sorry it's so messy, I know I should just... Okay, wait, I will make it look for a YouTube video. Just a second. Thank you so much Kmall24 for these amazing items. I'm sure that everyone that buys from you and order anything is very grateful, just like me, because I can't find any of them here in Bulgaria, and I'm sure in many other websites too in one place. I mean, to go in this website and find it, all of them in one place. Thank you so much and keep with the good work. I can't wait to see what you're preparing for us. And also thank you K-Influencer Academy. I'm very happy to be part of your program. Thank you so much, and of course thank you for watching this video. For all of you, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, click the bell button, and to share with me which of these things you like the most, which of them made you more shocked when I opened it and I saw it. And also tell me if you like this kind of videos, I will continue making it. And yeah, see you again in my channel. Bye, stay healthy and Don't forget, be safe.